part 2. Granny's excited.
Now look at them seasonings up there. Now all them seasonings, I can't believe it. It's like seasoning heaven, everybody. Look, they even got gravy. They even got roux. They even got roux mix. Oh my goodness.
Yes, Grandmother, look at that. And they also have this over here too.
Oh my goodness. Now this is a woman's heaven right here. Seasonings all over the place. I ain't talking about just regular salt and pepper. Look, you got some no salt. That's what I'm talking about. You got some too, Mama Soul Kitchen.
I know. We got that on sale too. But look at this. Look at all this other stuff.
We got the gumbo filet and all that. Now, see, this is what I'm talking about. This ain't no regular salt and pepper. It just makes me mad when people cheat and they go to salt and pepper. Salt is so unhealthy. But look at all these options. This is called flavor. This is where you get your flavor from, people. You get your flavor on your meats and your porks and your beefs and all. Oh, look at that. What's that?
Oh, that's some good old gravy as well.
Oh, my goodness. Well, Creole. Whoa, wait. Whoa. Oh, my goodness. Look at what.
Look at this. They even have this Goya garlic.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, I'm losing my mind. Oh,
you need to sit down?
No. Oh, I'm lightheaded. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm just so excited when I see stuff like this, you know?
Mm-hmm. Oh. Look at that. It's Lori's.
What?
That's Lori's seasoning. Look, they got carne asada. They got all kinds of flavors here. Look at all the...
Oh, my goodness. I didn't even know Lori's had that many.
I know, right?
Now, we're going to have to go back and just rewind this a little bit. Look at this. Now, this right here, everybody. If you throw away all that salt and pepper, you guys can just add just this to your stuff. You see this carne asada? And they got the... Oh, my goodness. I just can't believe it. I didn't know Lori's had that many.
I know. So this is a good thing.
This is about flavor. Flavor, everybody. Flavor for your meats and your stuff, everybody. People be talking about you in the church if you don't season up your meat.
All right, you guys. If you guys like what you see, make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe button below because we have a lot more that's coming to you guys soon with Mama Soul Kitchen
and Cooking with Granny. And make sure you guys hit that notification bell. We need more followers.